Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and in today's video we have my birthday reveal. This is my 43rd birthday and I just had a very low-key celebration this year. I have a couple small goodies and then a bag reveal. Now if you recall a couple videos ago, I did ask you guys about a birthday bag and I narrowed it down to 3 options. Well, I did pick one of those options, so I'm very excited to show that one. But let's get into some of the other reveals. And I will tell you that this birthday for me was on a Thursday, so it was pretty low-key because I did end up going to work the next day. I did have a nice time. I started the day off with going to the spa. I did the hydrating body cocoon at the Milk and Honey Spa in Chicago. Highly recommend that if you're looking for a total pamper session with the whole body massage, body oil, scalp massage, and yes, they did put me in this cocoon wrap. It was great. And afterwards, dinner and drinks with some of my girlfriends. They surprised me with a gift card to my favorite store, Nordstrom, some chocolate chip cookies, as well as a bottle of rosé. The next day, I had a birthday cake with one of my good friends, and then I ended the birthday week festivities with birthday brunch with bag bestie Caleb Snell. So my first item is this beautiful beige top. It's this cute and very chic top, and I love this color. It's in this beautiful beige color. I think this will be great for work and even for drinks after work. And this is from my friend Melissa Adams Wade. Thank you, Melissa. You know me so well with this, and I can't wait to have this out on, especially like on a girls' night out. Next up is from Caleb and Zane. Let's start with this cute neutral happy birthday card. I love it. So cute. And then I have this here. It's from Longchamp. And I do not have this piece in my collection, and I actually thought about adding it. So I'm so glad that they were able to find this. It's the little cutest coin purse in this beautiful beige color. I love this color because you can use it all year round. It's gonna be perfect. Longchamp is one of my go-to brands. I think they're perfect, especially in the city when we get some of this weather that can be snow, rain, and this nylon is pretty durable. So love this piece. Thank you, Caleb and Zane. You guys are the best. Next we have this handbag, and yes, it's a Celine bag. So this is going to be either the Celine 16 or the Celine Triomphe bag, and I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. The Celine 16, guys, in the dark beige. I thought this handbag was totally me in the beautiful dark beige. I just think this shade is so dreamy, and I love this design. I love a good top handle. There's no pocket on the back here, but this strap, you can change it out. So let's say I could put one of my chain straps on it and just carry it as a top handle. Unfortunately, you can't adjust the strap. It's just one length, but it's pretty good. And I do like how the strap drop. It's nice fit in the crook of my arm. This here, it does have a divider on the inside, so you can see here. Multiple compartments for organization. I think it's just a beautiful handbag. I love the history that comes with this handbag, and it's got the beautiful design, very 60s inspired type of design. And I like that this is like new Celine as well. This is my first new Celine piece. And if you recall, I do have my old Celine from the Phoebe Philo era with the luggage tote. And that's a very nice handbag. And actually, let me get that so you can actually see the shade difference. So old Celine meets new Celine. So you can see right away that this dark beige, I would say that this dark beige is more of a warmer tone to me. And this is definitely more cooler in tone. But I think both are really pretty. And this leather's got more of a sheen to it. And I'll put it on the screen so you can see. I love that there are so many different ways to carry this handbag. You can grab it by the top handle and put it in the crook of your arm. You can also use the leather strap as a shoulder carry, or one of my favorite ways is the crossbody. I think this size in the small, it still looks good on my 5'2" frame, so I'll probably use a combination between crossbody and the top handle. So my Celine SA did not have this handbag in stock. They have the other seasonal colors like the beautiful soft yellow and that pretty purple, black, and the tan. I have a lot of tan colors, so I was hoping to get the dark beige. So I had to look elsewhere, and 24S, they have it even right now if you really would like this particular handbag. But yeah, this is about, I want to say $4,300, I believe, on the price. I'll put it up on the screen. But I think overall for this handbag, if you are big into Celine, this more structured silhouette, I think it's a beautiful handbag. So I'm very excited to finally add the dark beige in this particular one. This was my top pick when it came to the colorway for the Celine 16. I think the tan is cute. I would probably look at adding a tan in a mini size at some point. I could totally see that. I think this is probably the perfect new Celine for me. It even goes well with this outfit that I'm wearing today. But this one is like my dream Celine 16 combination in the dark beige shade. Hey guys, let me know what you think of my birthday reveal and this beautiful handbag. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care, guys.